Hi guys, we are back from Warships Legends, and today, this is a big update. Oh, there's a rank too. Anyway, okay, today we're going to be doing ranked, and in this new update, new menu screen. oh, oh, they changed that part. Now to this, wait, reset. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, first I'm going to load up all the flags. Why am I doing Iowa? I'm not doing Iowa. Oh, yeah, there's no back button. And there's a new menu thing. And they changed up the store. Oh, there's also this. And we already got West Virginia. And, ooh, wait a sec. No. Doubloons. Offers. Special. And in this new update, we got Colorado. We're either going to save up for the skin or the commander. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the skin. I mean, not. Yeah, skin. And I think that's it for the update. Anyway, let's do the ranked battle. Oh, we're doing North Carolina again. Welcome back, North Carolina. We haven't done you in a long time. Okay. Now, let's go. Boop. Oh, it's 3v3. Now let's do you.
Capture that area.
I don't think they changed anything to the battle thing. Oh, I know they did change something in during the battle. It's the what is it called? Binoculars. You can zoom in, zoom out, a zoom in, a zoom out. Yeah, you can zoom out. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go to there. Area 1 hard to port. Wait 1 second. Yeah, hard to port. Everyone hard to port. New Orleans hard to port. Wait. Oh, there's also this. Sean Horse. Sean Horse? I'm probably going to get Sean Horse. And by get, I mean I'm going to kill Sean Horse. Now, let's turn and head to that base. Boop. No. Do any of you guys have sonar? Do you have sonar? I don't know if you have. No, I don't think you have sonar. I don't think anyone here has sonar. Unless you have sonar. Do you have sonar? I'm pretty sure not. I can now see what flags they're using. They're using those boosters. And you're using that flag. Oh, dang, I fired. Reload quickly before, because I'm pretty sure the enemy's going to pop out soon. Hurry up. Oh, they're over there. They are over there. Hurry up to reload. Because I don't want to get jump scared. Oh, a jump scare. Oh, good jump scare. Meow. Is that a spotter? I don't think that's a spot. I'm seeing fog, or is that smoke? Is that just the map, or is that a destroyer? No, it's looking like the map. Now we each got a base. And we should have got that base quicker because now the enemy team is winning. Slow down. Ah, found you. Found you. Well, we all found you. Oh no, there's probably torpedoes coming. Maybe. I have a feeling there is. Turn. Uh-oh, I'm spotted.
I need intelligence data.
Back up, back up. Back her up. Found it. Yep, I knew there's going to be torpedoes coming.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Probably right there.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I knew it.
Torpedoes direct front.
I knew there was torpedoes.
Torpedoes direct front.
I knew it. Now I can stop. This is a slow battle right now. Turn. I mean, not. Ugh. I'm just gonna keep my guns right here.
Torpedoes direct front.
What are you aiming at?
Torpedoes direct front. Torpedoes direct front.
Oh, you're aiming at me. Those torpedoes are a miss. Yeah, he was aiming at me. We have a problem right here. We have a they also have a problem over there. Alright, I'm just gonna go. Cause that destroyer, yes. Yeah, this destroyer is probably somewhere over here. Probably gonna get popped out. Or is that the cruiser? Nope, it's the destroyer. Get him. Get him. Gotti. Alright, I'm just gonna let you do your thing over here. And I'm just gonna go help this guy over here because there's a battleship and a cruiser, which that destroyer. Oh no. No, our victory is not looking like it's gonna be in sight.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
I haven't got a fire off of anything right now.
Get back.
You better get back. Oh. Torpedoes. That's a miss. Bang. Alright, I need to go in for this Sean Horse.
The ship is on fire.
Boom. Ow. Bang.
Torpedoes astern.
Yeah, I can tell there's torpedoes astern.
Torpedoes astern.
Can I outrun these things? No.
Torpedoes astern.
No, you're turning too much to starboard. You're turning way too much to starboard.
Pull below the waterline.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Problem solved, sir.
Yes.
Confirmed penetration.
Ow.
The ship is on fire.
Okay, he got them. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit, please. Dang it. Oh, yeah, he's gonna kill me. Dang it. That's it for today, guys. And bye-bye. Bye-bye.